show that the sequence xn where x1 is equals to 1 and xn is equals to 2 plus xn minus 1 की whole to power 1 by 2 is convergent and converges to 2. We have to prove that the sequence xn, which is defined in terms of this, and the first limit is given, first term is given is that 1, then we have to prove that it is convergent and converges to 2, and the limit exists in the form of number. So we have to only find out monotonic convergence theorem applicable in that by taking monotonically increasing or decreasing function sequence and given a limit of this only bounded, so we can prove it is convergent. Now let us take x1 is equals to 1, x2 is equals to root 2 plus x1, x2 is equals to, then put x1 value, then it gives x3, x2 is equals to root 3 which is greater than to 1, then this implies that x2 is greater than to x1. Okay, then let xn is greater than to xn minus 1, this implies this 2 plus xn is greater than to 2 plus xn minus 1, and this gives xn plus 1 is greater than to xn. Therefore xn is monotonic increasing sequence, right? Now let us define that it is bounded, taking x1 is equals to 1 which is less than to 2, x2 is, because we take 2 because given that the converges to 2, limit is 2, so this is not greater than to 2, bound is not greater than to 2, right? x2 is equals to root 3 which is less than to 2, x3 is equals to root 2 plus x2 which is equals to root 2 plus 3 which is less than to 2 plus 2 whole to power 1 by 2 which is equals to 2, right? Now x1 is bounded by 2, x2 is bounded by 2, x3 is bounded by 2, then we get xn is bounded, and we know that xn is bounded above and the sequence is monotonic increasing and bounded above, so xn is convergent. Now let's define the limit of this. So take limit of n tending to infinity xn is equals to L. We have given 2 plus xn minus 1 whole to power 1 by 2. This will equals to limit of xn. So put the value of limit of xn is equals to L is equals to 2 plus L to power whole power 1 by 2. Taking the square on both sides, L square minus L minus 2 is equals to 0. This gives L is equals to 2 comma minus 1. As we know that limit is always positive, so L is equals to 2 is the limit.